we are at Bodor booth. And first of all, I would like him to introduce yourself and introduce your booth companies.
Okay, Sawadika. Everybody, here's Luca Zhao with Bodor Laser and at the sales director of Thailand market. And Bodor Laser at the fiber laser cutting top manufacturing in the world. And we are touching the number one sales volume of the fiber laser cutting machinery. We did very good job here in Thailand, and we got over 500 units of the laser here in Thailand also. We're here in Intermach for this year is the third year. So we feel very good here, and we got a lot of good customer, potential customer, and potential lead, and it helped us a lot to improve our sales here in Thailand. We bring that huge machine with the ultra high power 20 kilowatt. With the table side will be 2 meter by 2.5 meter with a shadow table cover, and that will bring a lot of benefit for our customer, just like the sheet metal product and auto part, pneumatic constructions. And also we bring that tube laser here, that our basic level tube laser to cut something tube like the round tube, square tube, and other stuff. And we'd like to introduce our new product with the laser welder, 5 laser handheld laser welder. Will much easier to operation, will bring more benefit for your welder. Maybe follow the camera, you can see what we do here. So invite all of you, my friend and our customer, the potential customer here. No matter what you do here, you got a fab shop, you got a fitness equipment shop. No matter what you got here, you just process metal. You just came here. We will bring the whole solutions for you, and we will bring more benefit for the Thailand market and support Thailand Industrial 4.0. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So if you're looking for high technologies and high innovation, you can come to talk with them at Bodor Laser booth right here until 17th of May 2025. Thank you.
Thank you. ขอบคุณครับ